I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Beaver Builder. Select a form. Next, search and select an action AutomatorWP. Give here a webhook URL, so go to the AutomatorWP dashboard. Add new automation. Choose automation type anonymous. Confirm. Choose webhooks as a trigger. Received data from webhook. Copy the webhook URL and click on the Get Sample to fetch the URL. Then go back to your integration site and paste it. Body, send all data. Choose Request Payload Application/JSON. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your requirement. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Next, finish and save it. Go to your AutomatorWP site and here you can see that the data fetched successfully. Save it. I want to add a new user to my WordPress site by clicking on Add New User. Now map the respective fields. Save it. Save the automation and active it. Go to the Beaver Builder page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the users. And here, you can see that the new user has been created successfully. Thanks for watching.